Hey guys, it's iPhone Ups here, and today I have two unboxings for you guys. These boxes have been in my room for the last 1 month, but I was too busy to do an unboxing, so here's the unboxing. So I have two products. I'll start off with this one. This one's from OtterBox, as you can see. I already opened it. It's the OtterBox for the iPod Touch series, Defender series. Let's go ahead and open this. Zoom in. Let's see. There you go. So here's the case. Let's go ahead and open this. I believe. How are you gonna open this? Let's see. So here you have your charger and your headphone jack, and then you have a little Apple logo. And then you have your volume rocker. You can see they're all protected, so no water or dust will go inside. So that's cool. I'm just wondering, how do you open this? Oh, there you go. Take it off like that. That's just a plastic. And this is the case. So you put your iPod Touch. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPod Touch because someone stole it, so I'll be getting one in the future. So stay tuned. So yeah, so you put your, and then this is your iPod Touch. Put it like that, and then you take the bottom, and there you go. Alright, let's go and open the other box. So this is the Defender series for the iPod Touch from OtterBox. So I'd like to thank them for sending this out for review. Let's get to this. I have no idea who this is from, so let's see who this is from. That's it. Alright, this is the simplism for the iPhone. It's a leather collection, but I have no idea who this is from, so yeah. Doesn't have the company logo. Well, it's simplism.gp right here, as you can see. So that's probably their company name, Simplism. So go ahead and check them out. This is one of these cases where you put on your belt, and then your iPhone stays like that. Oh, so interesting. It's leather. You can see. It's pretty cool. So you take your iPhone, just put it inside, and then you just put it on your belt, hook it on with this, like that, and there you go. So yeah guys, these are the two unboxing that have been late, and there's some more unboxing to come, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.